Next, we are going to do the same thing, except now I'm adding in a monomial. So we're going to multiply a monomial to two polynomials. So we're going to multiply everything in the first polynomial to everything in the second polynomial, just like we did up here. And we're going to ignore this, but we're going to bring it down to our next step. So those two and those two. So 3x times x is 3x squared. 3x times 1 is 3x. Negative 2 times x is negative 2x. And negative 2 times 1 is negative 2. Right here in the middle is my like terms. 3x minus 2x is 1x. Okay, once you get all of this simplified down, now because it is connected to a monomial on the outside, we're going to multiply the monomial to the new polynomial in the new set of parentheses. Okay, so I'm just going to move this up here just for space. Oops. Okay, it's a minus 2, so I apologize for that. All right, so I have 2x times 3x squared is 6x to the third. 2x times x is 2x to the second. And 2x times negative 2 is negative 4x. There's no like terms, so that one is done. Keep in mind, anytime you have a variable by itself, there's that invisible 1 in front of it. All right, next one. I'm going to multiply the a to everything and the 3 to everything, and I'm going to ignore the negative a squared for now. So a times 2a is 2a squared. A times negative 1 is negative a. 3 times 2a is 6a, and 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. So right here in the middle are my like terms. So this would be a negative 1 plus 6, so negative 1 plus 6. It's one of each, so we subtract and we get positive 5. Bring down your a. Okay, once this is simplified, now take your outside monomial and multiply it to everything on the inside. So negative 1a squared times 2a squared would be negative 2a to the fourth. Negative 1 times 5 is negative 5a to the third. And negative 1 times negative 3 is positive 3a to the second. Okay, next one, keep your negative 2p to the fourth. Multiply those two, multiply those two. 2p times 3p is 6p to the second. 2p times 1 is 2p. Negative 3 times 3p is negative 9p. And negative 3 times 1 is negative 3. Like terms in the middle. Two minus 9. 2 minus 9 is keep, change, one of each. When you have one of each, you subtract. 9 minus 2 is 7, and 9 is bigger, so it's negative 7p minus 3. Once it's simplified down, you can multiply the outside monomial to all three. Negative 2 times 6 is negative 12. P to the 6. 4 there, 2 there is 6. Negative 2 times negative 7 is positive 14. P to the 5th. 4, 1, 4 there, 1 there. Negative 2 times negative 3 is positive 6. And you only have a p to the 4th, so it stays p to the 4th. And that is all of multiplication in different ways. Now we're going to move to dividing.